I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the AirPods ready. Charge the case and enable Bluetooth on the device. Once done, open the case with the AirPods inside and hold it next to your phone. This triggers the automatic setup on iPhone. If you don't see the pop-up, press and hold the setup button on the case for about 2 seconds to start searching. You do this so the AirPods broadcast a discoverable signal, proximity and unlocked screen speed discovery, and avoid pairing delays. Now make the AirPods actively discoverable. With the case open, press and hold the rear setup button until the status light flashes white. This tells other devices the AirPods are in pairing mode. Then, on your Android or PC, open Bluetooth settings, scan for new devices, and pick AirPods Pro. Make sure you stay within a meter and remove heavy Wi-Fi use nearby. Interference can hide the AirPods. This step separates automatic iPhone setup from manual pairing and explains why the white light matters. Finish by selecting AirPods Pro on your device and confirming the connection. Then check audio output and latency with a short clip. Once paired, you can rename the AirPods or adjust press and hold and squeeze controls in Bluetooth settings so they behave how you want. If pairing fails, perform a reset. Put both AirPods in the case, open the lid. Press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.